Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's dive into the crypto market as we've just kicked off the second quarter of 2025. A lot of investors and traders are hoping we'll see the market finally flip from bearish to bullish. This change is super important for altcoins to bounce back, especially since many of them are facing a tough climb to get back to those higher price levels. However, there are still some tokens out there that are showing some potential for growth in the short term. Let's take a look. I'm Mr. H, your crypto buddy. Welcome to your channel. Please, if you enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button to help the channel grow. THORChain. All right, at the time of writing, RUNE is sitting at around $1.1110, and it's trading just above the $1.1110 support level. Now, for a potential recovery, this altcoin needs to reclaim the $1.198 level as support. Investor sentiment is going to play a big role in whether RUNE makes a bullish move, and positive vibes could really push its price up. There's also an upgrade coming up this week, version 3.4.0, which is bringing some significant improvements to the network. This update could create some positive buzz in the market and help RUNE take back that 1.198 level. If that happens, we might even see the price jump to 1.396, which would be awesome for recovering recent losses and continuing the price growth. Now, on the flip side, if that 1.110 support breaks, we could see RUNE drop down to around 1.021 and even risk losing the crucial 1.00 support level. If that level doesn't hold, it could signal that the downtrend is still in play and totally kill the bullish scenario. Fetch.ai. Moving on to Fetch.ai. Over the past 5 days, the buying price of FET has actually increased by about 3.8%, reaching 0.472. Now, the recent price drop has put some pressure on FET, but there's still a chance for a comeback, thanks to some upcoming developments in the network. This week, the FET network is having a mainnet upgrade, which is adding some cool new features in the AS11 mini version. This upgrade is expected to act like a price catalyst and could push the token's price towards the key resistance levels of 0.524 and 0.572, helping it recover those recent losses. However, if the recent bearish trend continues, we might see FET's price drop to around 0.4. This could definitely wipe out the bullish scenario and lead to even more losses. To avoid further drops, the price needs to stay above those crucial support levels. Ethereum. Let's talk about the big one, Ethereum. The buying price of ETH is currently around 1,852. which is actually its lowest point in the last 17 months. This shows that ETH is struggling to regain its momentum, and the current market conditions aren't really favorable for a quick rebound. Despite the current bearish conditions, the lower price might actually attract some investors. If ETH can successfully turn the $1,862 level into support, there's a good chance we could see a short-term bounce, potentially pushing the price back above $2,000. This move could signal an attempt to recover from the recent dip. On the other hand, if the bearish conditions persist, we might see Ethereum's price fall below $1,745 and even test the next support level at $1,625. If this support level doesn't hold, it would invalidate the bullish scenario and open the door for even further price drops. So there you have it, a quick look at what's happening with RUNE, FET, and ETH as we move into the second quarter of 2025. Remember, this is just a quick analysis, so always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.